In the Summer 25 update, which from the date of this video is due to be released in a month or so, we're getting a range of updates and enhancements to flows. Some of these updates are quite visual. For example, we're getting a new automation app interface, enhancements to the flow canvas, a new error indicator, and a brand new debug log panel. So in this video, we're going to go over the 4 new visual enhancements coming to flows in Salesforce. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paolo and I am a Salesforce consultant based in the UK. I work a lot with flows and I'm really excited for this new update. So let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. When you're making a new flow in Salesforce, one of the most important decisions you need to make is which type of flow you should use for whatever it is that you're trying to achieve. The new automation app interface is a great enhancement in helping you make that choice. Straight away, you can see the different categories of flows, and just below that, you can see your frequently used flow types. Say we're interested in a new screen flow. If we click on this flow category, this new interface allows us to see a range of different flow types, and we can even see screen flow templates to help us get started. You'll also notice that we can filter our view by using this tab on the top of the page. We can do this to compare different flow categories before making our choice on which type of flow to use. By the way, if you're brand new to flows in Salesforce and you're not quite sure where to begin, why not check out my beginner-friendly flow tutorial, link in the description. I don't know about you, but a lot of the time when I am in a flow canvas trying to work with different elements, I never know if I need to single click or double click to open up an element. And sometimes when I click on an element, it just seems to kind of expand, and then I have to click edit to actually get into the element. Hopefully, this new enhanced flow canvas will help with that. Right off the bat, we can see that elements are now displayed in this card format, which I really like. A single click opens the element window. Hovering over the element brings up these 3 little dots, and here is where you can copy, cut, or delete the element. Not to mention, it does make things look a lot cleaner. Speaking of elements, there is a new way to display errors within your flows. With this new card view, the error icon is displayed on the top left of the attached flow element. And the entire card is highlighted in red too, making it easier to spot the mistake. When you open the element itself by clicking on it once, the error within the element is also highlighted in red. Debugging your flow is super important, especially when you're working in a complex flow. It's the best way to know if what you're building is actually going to work. So improvements to the debug panel are always welcome, and now we have a lot more control. Starting with the size, we can now expand this window, making it easier to review our flow steps and find those annoying little issues. We also have a dedicated button to expand or collapse all to help our viewing process. You'll also notice that on the cogwheel at the top of the panel, we can change some debug preferences. My favorite is show API names, especially when I'm debugging a flow I didn't build, and it has some complicated naming conventions. We also have a search bar, which is super helpful to review specific areas of the flow, for example, searching for a specific record ID. And on the right-hand side, with a single click, we can copy our debug log. Finally, each element is displayed in this new card format, which is clear to understand and gives a really nice separation between each step of the flow. If you like this video, then you'll probably like my other Salesforce video where I go over the new automation Lightning app, where you can quickly manage and create new flows. See you next time.